everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Okay, today's video is a long-awaited one, and thank you so much for your patience. This is a group swap I was in with Mommy and Me Crafts, and I got two swaps, so we were to make two, receive two, and it's called Flower Swap. So, spring flower swap. So let's go ahead and open up the first one. It has been long awaited and I'm finally able to get to it with so much on my plate. And let's go ahead and do this. So this one is from Crafting It Up with Dina Espinoza. She made this beautiful package. I did watch all of Patty's entries, but I completely forgot what these were, so it's gonna be a surprise to me, or maybe it might just be like, oh yeah, I remember this. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so first you see these ribbons right here, very Easter ribbon right here, and also she's using this mesh. It's like a mesh tube for a closure, and then she has this little tag there to let me know where it came from and who made this. Okay, so let's get on into it. I love the colors, the bright pink, beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this real fast. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. It's a little box and I'm so excited, you guys. I was excited to see who got mine and who I got. Okay, so here we go. We have a shaker flower here, which is so cute. I love the yellow and the pink together. It looks so pretty. It says spring. Miniature flower here with some butterflies. It's stacked on layer upon layer. It's not a rosette, but it has so many layers to it. A scallop, lots of doilies, and it's a belly band. And I love the little box. And the shaker's so cute. I love the paper she used. Love this paper. I can't find it anymore. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, I see a bloom. Oh, this is cute. I like how she did that. And then I see some more flowers here. Let's see, what are these? Okay, look how pretty that is. This reminds me of Heartfelt Creations. This is so pretty. This one is a felt one. It's very pretty, very delicate. I love the center on this one. So pretty. I can't wait to dig into the rest. Oh my goodness, yes, I do remember this. I remember seeing this on Patty's. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. So yeah, I remember seeing this on Patty's channel. Here are some flowers here, and it's a memory dex card flower. Market flower stand. It's so cute, you guys. Such a cutie. Look how cute that is. Inside are some flowers. So we're supposed to send some miniature flowers, small. I don't even remember the amounts, but small. I'm taking that it's I think it's, I don't know, six small, medium, and 2 large. I don't even know how many mediums anymore. It's been that long. Okay, let's go ahead and get on into these flowers. Very cute flowers here. Look at that. She has some tulle, very miniature, layers upon layers, and the centers are so pretty. I love the centers. I really hope I got good lighting here. It's been so bad with lighting. Look at these flowers. I love them. They're so cute. Okay, next this is such a cute little memory dex. Okay, so these ones are the large flowers here. So the two large. Now we're getting into the medium. And let me pull this out. So spring, so colorful. There we go. I did it. Look at that. We have miniature embellishments there. So pretty. So these are it right here. Very colorful, very vibrant, and look at all of those layers. Very pretty flowers. I love this one right here, the yellow and the pink. So pretty. They are just jumping all around, aren't they? So very pretty, you guys. This was so cute, crafting it up with Dee. Thank you so much. And then there's this bloom here. I'm assuming the bloom was supposed to go here. I think it was supposed to go here, which is genius idea to put it on there. But I love it. Oh, the back. I forgot the back, you guys. Here is the dangle. Look at the dangle. She has a bird. She has a butterfly. And she has some beads on this vintage safety pin, which I absolutely love. Here is the envelope, and you can open it. And let me see if there's anything in there. Yes, there was something in here. So let's go ahead and look and see what she says. Okay, so this is her information here. It just says Spring Flower Swap 2022, Dina Espinoza, crafting it up with Dee, favorite color pink and gold, love 3D projects, DOB 1010. Oh, that's cool, 1010. Fave holiday is Christmas and Valentine's. So cute. Oh my goodness, you did this so cute, so creative, so well thought of. And then right here is her information there. Made with love by Dina Espinoza, crafting it up with Dee. Okay, you guys, so that is her information. Go ahead and check her out. I will have her linked below. I don't think there is a YouTube here. I'm going to go ahead and YouTube that and Instagram that. And if I find her handle, I will link it below. So thank you so much. I appreciate this. Everything is beautiful. I love it all. And let's go ahead and look at what the next one is. This is the next one. No way. Okay, so I got Rhoda. Hey, Nifty Crafty Me. That's her handle right there. Oh my goodness, I know exactly what this is and I can't wait to dig in. Oh my goodness, I've seen this also, but I do not remember how to put it together. Let's go ahead and dig into this amazingness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see here. Look at all this color, very 80s. I love the color, so pretty. Oh my goodness. I know she doesn't have a YouTube, but she definitely has an Instagram, which I will have it linked below. And this is such a cute little project that she made. She also sells flowers, so if you guys want to buy some flowers, check her out. But look at this little stand here, and it's all stitched up. It has a little chickie here, a little sign here that says which way to go, with a little bird dangle and some grass, you guys. And for some pebbles here, she added some seed bindings. But look how beautiful this is, how she so creative. And I love this little garden shed. It's such a cute little shed, and I love what she's done here. Look at that. She has some sticker pieces here. She also has some flatbacks and some pom-poms, and she did some stitching on them. So cute. And then in the inside are like the seeds. This is so cute. So it would go like this. You guys can't see it, but I'm going to turn it over so it would go like that. And in here are her flowers, and she did like seeds. So these are bags of seeds. So cute. So let's go ahead and dig into her flowers. Oh my goodness. So pretty. She has, look at all this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love her flowers. Look how beautiful. Look at those centers. I love the centers. So pretty. I love that. And that came in the seed bag. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. Next, it looks like the medium size. Oh my goodness, I can't get over how cute this is. Super cute. Okay, look at these flowers here. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at that pink. I love the pearl in the middle, or seed bead. So pretty. Love that Rhoda. And then next is this one right here. I still can't get over the little seeds. Oh my goodness. And each one has the flower that it blossomed. These are her large, you guys. So pretty. Love them. So pretty. So you guys, go ahead and check them out. Oh my goodness, I can't get over this little garden shed. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The little chickie, so cute. So yeah, go ahead and check both ladies out. They're amazing, talented crafters. Both ladies did an amazing job. I can't believe I am the owner of both of these projects. So pretty. And I'm so glad I'm able to post now. You guys, it has been a journey to get here. So I am glad I'm able finally to post. So here it is. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And I will see you guys in the next video.